the law enforcement bodies of the land form the first line of defense against any attack that might be launched from within. Never before was there greater need for unity, for a calm appraisal of the forces which work against us. They seek to weaken law enforcement in every conceivable manner as their first step toward turning law and order into revolution and into chaos. Law enforcement will meet these challenges.
Hoover had escalated his illegal surveillance of King in the years prior, sending him sex tapes the FBI had filmed along with anonymous threatening letters, calling for him to commit suicide within 34 days, or his image would be ruined with the release of his extramarital affairs.